The Agile Service Manager performs a similar role to the Scrum Master in Scrum or the Service Manager in earlier versions of ITIL. They should have expertise in Scrum, Agile Service Management, and other service management frameworks and act as a subject matter expert or SME and coach for the Agile Service Management team. The Agile Service Manager facilitates Agile Service Management events and helps the Agile Practice Owner create and maintain a just enough architecture of their practice. They also help the team understand, adopt, and adapt Scrum and Agile Service Management principles and methods, and ensure that the Agile Service Management team focuses on outcomes over artifacts. Finally, this role protects the team by removing impediments whenever possible and instills agile thinking, empirical principles, Scrum knowledge, and ITSM objectives into the team's culture and behaviors. The Agile Service Manager does not manage the Agile Service Management team, which is self-managing. Rather, the Agile Service Manager acts as a servant leader that helps the Agile Practice Owner create a just-enough architecture of Agile Service Management practices and microprocesses. This involves maintaining an accurate and relevant practice backlog, coaching the team, and helping team members produce relevant documentation. The Agile Service Manager serves the Agile Practice Owner by helping ensure the practice is in alignment with other practices and supports value streams, sharing techniques for effective practice backlog management, helping ensure the processes reflect Agile values and principles, and facilitating stakeholder collaboration as requested or needed. Most importantly, the Agile Service Manager protects the team and does everything possible to ensure its success. A key part of this role is ensuring wider stakeholders interact with the team effectively. The Agile Service Manager also educates the organization on Agile values, Scrum practices, ITSM processes, and the Agile Service Management approach to process design and development so that everyone knows what to expect. They should aim to bridge the relationship between developers, Scrum Masters, DevOps teams, site reliability engineers, and automation architects to ensure cross-pollination of taxonomy, tools, and activities. Collaboration across multiple domains helps to create and maintain a unified Agile, DevOps, and ITSM or SRE culture.